This video is about replacing Orangeburg sewer pipe with PVC and connecting that to the city main. I was done working on the house, replaced the Orangeburg that was connected up to the house and going out into the alley, replaced that with PVC, and now it was time to get out into the alley. But I knew I would end up cutting off access to the neighbors and all the utilities and police officers, ambulance that might want to go through here. I called in the local excavator who worked out all the permits and also brought in the big guns. There were utility markings everywhere. We had to be meticulous with this big excavator. One wrong move and we could just rip out a gas line in 1 second.
So that gave you less confidence.
That is a big shovel. Our predecessors left a gift for us. It was a broken Maine sewer line hub. So what we had to do was call the city and make sure it was okay to create our own hub out of concrete. To make the repair to the main sewer line, we simply had to put the PVC pipe right where it was supposed to go and glue it, lock it down into place, and then pour cement around the top. The cement on top of the main sewer line would create its own hub. I hope everything's right now, because now it's time to fill in the hole, and I don't want to dig that up again. Since people use the alley to drive on, it's important not to have any shifting go on. So we made a mud rock soup as we went along. You can see the old rusty gas line. It's a good thing it's not live. Okay, now I know I want a bobcat for Christmas. And then there was peace, happiness, tranquility, and a bill. So if you ask a plastic surgeon to make you look like a pelican, would you get a big bill? Well, whatever the case, the sewer finally worked and I was ecstatic. Remember, in 2 days tomorrow will be yesterday, so get off to that project.